Hey, Panther friends and family, this is Mr. Downs with the Panther Fitness Journal. I'm going to be putting this in your Schoology folders for the kids, and this allows you, the kids, and of course, parents, to kind of put activities down that maybe I did not submit on there for my activities, and just things that are keeping your kids happy and healthy at their homes. Maybe with doing it with you, maybe doing it by themselves. It just gives this journal has a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Of course, you don't have to be doing things every day, but it might just cover some of the things that I don't put on for assignments and that sort of thing. But I want to certainly give them credit if they are doing any kind of sports or fitness or chores that are keeping them fit. And so basically I just put an example down here of jogging around the block, playing football with friends. I just approximated how long it was. The challenge, I kind of gave it a number. 1 was a little bit easier, 5 is a tougher activity, so I gave a 3 and 4. How did they feel? And they enjoy it. So maybe as you kind of review the week, just kind of think about all the things that you've done. And they do say to get out and play 60 minutes every day, whether that's in the home, out the home, or a little of both. So this will be in the folder again. It's not an actual assignment, but just something that you can certainly put the week of the name of the class, and it just kind of gives me a log and send it my way and lets me know what your children are doing to stay happy and healthy. Have a great day. Talk soon.